Hi everybody and welcome to IBX Running. I am Rachael and today we have the wonderful, beautiful Nina Agdal's 10-minute interval workout. If you don't know, she's a Danish supermodel. So I hope you guys are ready to get nice, sweaty. It's a sweet, sweaty workout. If you miss any of the call-outs, change-outs for speeds and inclines, don't worry. If you look over onto your monitor, onto your screen, we'll have all those numbers over here. If you look over onto this side, we'll have a progression bar showing you where we are, start to finish, through this whole entire workout. Make sure we know where our speeds and our inclines are on our tread. And if you guys are ready, find that start button. Let's get it going in 3, 2, and 1. Let's start it off 2.5 to a 3.0. Starting off, we're just a nice 1-minute warm up here, getting the legs and the bloods flowing. Good, so let's take a few deep breaths right in the beginning. Sometimes we get on the tread, our mind and our body, they're not really connected. So, few good deep inhales, exhale, let it go. 30 more seconds. We're gonna take it up to a 3.0 to a 3.5. We're gonna take up the incline though. So, little roadmap ahead. We only have 3 runs and then we take it back for a walk. We do that twice. Remember what I said, it's a little sweet and sweaty workout. So it's not super long, 10 minutes of hard work. 1 minute warm up, 1 minute cool down. So get ready to find your incline. It's coming fast. Hit me with that 12 on the incline. 3, 2, 1, and then give me 0.5. So 3.0, 3.5 on that tread. Good. So we're here for a couple minutes now. So now we're really gonna start you're gonna start feeling it right away. So went from right into a nice, slow, steady little walk all the way up into an incline. Remember, try not to grab onto your tread. We got it right here, okay? Squeeze the core nice and tight. Good. Roll those shoulders down and back if you're still a little tight. So what we have for these runs, they're on an incline. So we start a little bit lower, we add on the incline, we take it back down to a flat road, fastest one. Notice the difference, how you run on an incline and how you run on a flat road. You're gonna feel it. It's gonna feel a little bit easier. You'll be like, oh my God, I can pick up speed when I hit that flat road. On the incline, you're gonna feel a little bit tighter, maybe a little shorter stance of your strides, but that's okay. We already got 1 minute left with this, and then we take it right into our first run. I told you, it goes by fast, this one. Woo, over before you know it. Want to get supermodel vibes, so channel them in. Nice long legs, right? All right, here we go. We're gonna take it down to only a 2 incline. So we're still gonna have an incline on that first run. First run is 6.5 to 7.0. Fast, right? Right off the bat, we're fast. 30 seconds. Good, deep breath. Mentally prepare. 3 minutes of running straight, okay? You have it, I am the prize. We're not quitting today. Even if it feels tough, feels hard, we're gonna run right through it. 10 seconds, you take it down to a 2 incline. 6.5 on that tread. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start picking it up. Good. You got it now, right? Might take a few seconds for the incline to descend. So you're gonna feel an extra little kick right in the beginning as we go from a 12 incline down to a 2. So we're only here for a minute. Then we pick up the incline. We could drop the speed a little bit. If you don't want to, you don't have to. 6.0, 6.5. 30 seconds. Look alive, guys. Keep working. Keep breathing. 20 seconds. Good, first one. Maybe your body's still getting a little warmed up. Don't worry. The warm up around here. Good, take the incline up to a 4. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, you can keep the speed the same. 6.0 to 6.5. If you want to take it down, take it down. Good, pump those arms. Stand up tall. We're going right into a flat run, right? So we take it down to a 0. We pick up the speed. 7.0, 7.5. You got 30 seconds to get there. Then you get a break. Then you hit that recovery. Well, we're going back on an incline, but you get to walk. 20 seconds, right? 7.0, 7.5. Last 15. You give me 0 on that incline. And 10. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, 0 on the incline. Pick up that speed. 60 seconds, let's go. Right? Shorter workout, higher intensity. Come on, come on, come on. Don't slow down. Move those feet. 45 seconds. You got it, guys. Just a little longer. You got 30 seconds. Now we go harder. We're going up to a 12 incline, down to a 3 mile per hour. And 20. Keep working. 15, you got it. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3.0. 0 on that incline. How are we feeling, guys? Feeling good? You got 2 minutes. Oh no, my incline didn't go off. There we go. 12 on the incline. The walk is a little slower. 3.0, 3.5. You got it. Roll the shoulders down and back. Inhale through your nose. Exhale, let it go. Guess what? All we got is to do everything one more time. Enjoy this moment right here. Get yourself, if the first round was hard, get yourself and your mind right. Like, oh my God, oh, that wasn't so bad, right? 3 minutes. Wasn't so bad. Well, we're gonna make it better. We're gonna go harder the second round. 3 minutes of running. That's all that stands between you and the finish line today. We're already more than halfway through the workout. Squeeze those glutes as we're walking up this hill. Squeeze that core. Try not to roll on the shoulders, and I do it too. I have long orangutan arms, so draw them back. 1 minute. 1 minute left, all right? We go back up to that 2.0 on the incline, 6.5, 7.5. It's faster than the second one, okay? So you can take the speed down on the second incline, or on the second run, but we pick up the incline. I know there's a whole lot of things going on. So remember, if you get lost, all the numbers are over here. Don't forget to smile. This is a great, if you're just starting to run, this is a great workout. The way that this is designed, couple minutes of hard work, couple minutes of recovery, do it again. Short and simple, sweet and sweaty. Yeah, 15 seconds. You guys ready? Going down to a 2 incline, up to a 6.5, 7.5 mile per hour. In 5, in 4, 3, 2, take that incline down, take that speed up, let's go. I'm feeling better this one. I'm ready. Woo! Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Come on, team. Don't let anything start clearing or flooding that mind of yours. Don't let any of those doubts start to creep in. We got this. Woo! 20 seconds. We can take down that speed just a little bit. Pick up that incline. Like we're running right up a hill. In 10. In 8. Good. 6.5, 7.0. Oh, 6.0, 6.5. Sorry. 4 on that incline. Let's go. I'm keeping my speed the same. 6.5. I want to push it today, you know? Woo! Come on, come on. 45 seconds. Flat road. Run as fast as you can go. 7.0, 7.5, you wanna go faster. It's your last minute coming up. So let's go. Let's do it. Let's push it. 30 seconds. Woo, yes. Ready? Last 20 on the prize. Guys, ready for it? You got 15 seconds. Find that 0 button on that incline. Look at it real quick. You know where it is, right? We're gonna take it down. Pick that speed up. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last minute of this workout. Let's get it, guys. Squeeze the core. Breathe. Into the nose, out through the mouth. 40 seconds. These are the moments right here. You find out who you are. You find out what you're made of. Last 30 seconds. You don't want to be the person that pushes that button early. Hold out to the end. 20 seconds. Oh yeah. Come on, 15. Count with me. You got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2.5, 3.0. Whew. Walk it out. Clap your hands, guys. 10 minutes, hit interval style. Whew. Nina Agdal's supermodel 10-minute interval workout. That was intense. Like I said, short and sweet, sweet and sweaty. Perfect to start your morning, to end your day. You only have 10 minutes to get it. Right here, this is where you want to be. Last 30 seconds. Always remember, do a little cool down. Even if you need to stay on your tread a little bit longer, bring that heart rate back down. Don't just jump off the tread while your heart rate's high. Take a few minutes, refocus, find your breath. As always, thank you for joining me here at IBX Running. My name is Rachel. You guys can get ready to hit that stop button in 3, 2, 1. I'll see you guys next time.